Dumb thumbs.
I'm moving a bit quicker this time on the build. I would have rushed to get it ready for today, but this happened.
The wind is exceeding experimental limits. Very pretty, but very windy.
So, one of the things I think, one of the ways I think I was going wrong was that the aircraft setup, or the last one, the first one, was set up in Q tail set input 0, which meant it acted like a multi-rotor. And I don't think my thumbs quite understood some of the shapes it was making as related to multi-rotors. And I was trying to control it as if it were an aeroplane. So I'm going to try the input mask 1 next time, and then its frame of reference, or it should be behaving a little bit more like I'm controlling an aircraft's frame of reference. So anyway, it means, what does this mean? It means tail dragging, tail sitter aircraft. It's time to jump into one of those and have a go at prop hanging. And prop hanging is not something I know how to do. So plenty of simulator time to work it out. Now see that yaw as it comes down. So I am going to spend at least an hour or two, probably not, working out how to get this done. Now, what would one do? Would one just talk inanely? If I was a young video gaming type, yeah, that was no good, was it? And always doing stuff into the sun's never a good idea, is it? So let's run away from the sun. Right, let's start again with a circuit. Let's have a circuit. Hey, that's not a circuit. Right. This time. See, the silence is indicative of concentrating, isn't it? Let's go back round again. Whoa! I've got to wonder if this is what these real big tail sitters are like to fly, because I'm not saying it's easy, but they plainly have got an abundance of power, because you just running out of. You wonder why then. And look, I'm pulling away from here all the time. So anyway, this is like watching paint dry, isn't it? Maybe what I'll do is I will speed this up, fly some more, and speed up the results. Yes, that's what we'll do, dear viewer. So watch some more crashes. Maybe before tomorrow's out, I'll have version 2 flying. And if version 2 works already in my head, I know how I tidied up for version 3. But first of all, let's see if I can train my thumbs ready for some tail sitting action, hopefully tomorrow. Well, that's not good. Cue the sped up bit.